piece of paper or move up and put this down there. We're going to draw a Pomeranian. Does anybody have a Pomeranian? I have a Pomeranian Chihuahua mix. Okay, finger where you want him. Make sure you've got enough space. Oh, I'm zooming out. Hold on. We are so close. Whoa. Make sure you've got enough space for your puppy dog. Okay, and he's sitting there looking directly at us. So we won't have to do profile or anything. I'm going to draw a nice big circle for the head. Draw as light as you can. I'm going to go dark. I want to make sure you can see. There you go. Oh, you're going to name it Cookie. That's a good name. Cookie's a good name. Making me hungry though, Cookie. Cookie, are you hungry? My dogs love their dog cookies. Ooh. Okay, everybody got your circle here? Now, erase the bottom part. You're like, what? We just drew it. Well, it's going to give us a nice shape for the top of the head. Okay, nice shape. So erase the bottom, and the sides, we're going to pull them down and then pull them to a point, sort of like Santa's beard. Pretend Santa's, oh, let me draw darker, sorry. I never know how dark to draw this. There we go. Draw Santa's beard down here. Do you know Pomeranians have beards? That's kind of funny. Kind of funny. Okay, we're going to come back to the top and we're going to decide where we want the nose. I'm going to come down just a little bit and let's draw a doggy nose. You can do a circle, you can do the Hershey Kiss upside down shape. What else? A little upside down triangle. You decide. Your puppy. It's okay. I'm going to bring the little line down from the nose and then two little curves. Opening of the mouth, right? If you've got a dog, you can pull your dog in and say, hey, show me your smile. My dog would smile. I look, this is my favorite toy, smart doggy smile. It helps me draw my inspiration. Look, the tongue's hanging out on this guy. See that tongue? That's fun to draw. So now we're going to put a nice letter U right here. Bring that down, and we're going to put a tongue inside there. So put like a little letter M in there. Tuck that in there. Do you see how I did that? What? That's cool. Color back there. Dark, 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 because there's no way we can see in that mouth, right? There's a dark mouth in there. And just for fun, let's put some zigzags underneath for like a little chin. See my little tiny scribbles? They're so just really light. Nothing major. Okay, let's go up and give two eyes. So I'm going to put a circle. Let's just do circles because this is a fancy dog. My dog is prissy. I'm trying to make them the same size. There we go. I like that. I'm going to put a little reflective spot on the right side of both of my circles. There we go. And then I'm going to do a nice curve at the top. That way we've got some eyelashes going on. You can go all crazy on your eyelashes if you want. I'm just going to put one thick one up there. That's cute. And as light as I can, I'm just going to put a little hint of an eyebrow. Ta-da! And this is a fancy dog. It's all about the eyes. Now go ahead and take your eraser and erase the top of that head. Boy, we just got rid of that whole circle we used for our guide, right? Yes, we did. Not a problem, right? So above the eyes, we're going to go up just a little bit and put nice, soft triangles. You see how I'm doing just really soft? I'm not making them pointy. I'm not making them huge. This isn't a fennec fox. Now inside the nice triangle for the ear, let's do a smaller, let's do the inside of the ear. See that? Now this could be a husky You see how the shape looks like a husky? Does anybody have a husky dog? This looks, what else animal does this look like? Maybe a happy wolf. Maybe a happy wolf. Not a scary wolf, but a happy one. Between the ears, I'm not going to draw a line. I want this dog to really be very fluffy. So I'm going to take and I'm going to just spike the hair between the ears. Watch. I'm going to go darker on that. I think I'm going to get a different pencil, one of my woodless pencils. Let's see. I like the 3B. Here's 4B. I'm going to use 4B today, so you guys can see my work with the darker lines. There we go. And even with the ears, I'm gonna go spiking down the side of the ears. I want as much texture on this dog as I can, as much as I can get. And then where the ears start to meet the head, spike out. We want fluff, fluff, fluff. You see how I did that? Oh, I love it. You're going to name yours Max? Okay, good. We've got a Cookie and we've got a Max. That is cute. Super cute. I think this is my dog right here, so her name is Haven. So I've got to stick with Haven for my doggie. For around the mouth, we're going to add some texture around the mouth. So start on this one side of the mouth, either side, your choice, and use some zigzags and bring it all the way down to the bottom. There we go. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. You ready? Go the opposite direction, zigzag, zigzag. You can pull some down longer, some shorter. Pulling that down. Beautiful. Oh, that is so cute. Now erase the line outside of that, okay? Because that's where we're going to put all that texture for the outside of the, for the body, okay? I don't want to use that line. I can still see my line, just very lightly. So that was my goal, is just to erase it as light as I can so that only I can see it. Are you ready for the texture? Start up where the ears are and let's do those big zigzags. Don't come close to your beard here. Okay, do you see how we have this nice beard? Let's go around it and then we come to the bottom, get as close as you can. And notice I'm using like little letter V's. That's all I'm doing. Zigzag, letter V's. Giving this dog a lot of texture. This thing is so fluffy. Look at that. Whoa. That's beautiful. So nice. Oh, she's just beautiful. Now, most of this hair is covering up the legs. So I'm just going to pull two lines coming toward each other down here with a nice oval at the bottom. Okay, you see how I'm doing that? Doing the same thing over here. Two lines coming out, leaving a space between them. Okay, you want to make sure. My dog has pretty long legs for her big fluffy body. That's just the way she is. Let's see here. We're going to put what she's sitting, or he is sitting, whatever you want. I'm going to put the back leg really big oval right here, touching. Make sure it's touching, okay? We're just having her sit there and then put an oval down here. Ta-da! Okay, we're just having her sitting on the side, and then we're going to have a big fluffy tail come up and touch. So just curve it right there, and this part will be the body. You see how we have all that? We've got all the pieces to the puzzle. Yes! Okay, so I'm going to erase where the foot and the paw meet. I mean the leg and the oval, because we're going to put the paw down there. Good? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so in the middle of each one, I'm going to put a letter U. That's the middle toe. That's my secret. That's how I do it. Pull your toes around and up, trying not to make it too round. Okay, and then you can do your hair on the legs. Make it fluffy. Think about texture, texture, texture. Doing your texture, bringing that paw up. You can put a little crease right here to bring that around. I creased right there to bring those around. Perfect. Matthew, shush. Then we're going to add texture all to this side over here. So the tail comes up this area, right up here. So I'm going to take the tail and let's see here. I'm going to erase the very tip. I'm going to erase the very tip of the tail because I'm going to point it up a little. You're going to name yours pufferfish. That's cute. Very cute. So I'm going to bring the texture down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. I think that looks like a Christmas tree at the top. I don't like it pointed like that. I'm going to bring it and curve it and have it just tucked behind the body. There. I didn't want a Christmas tree tail. It'd be kind of weird. Since you have a pufferfish cookie Max dog. Oh my goodness. So let's add texture to the leg as well. And then let's do this last paw back here. You in the middle. Bring that paw around. You can shade back here. You can also add some little hair back here connecting those two legs. Down here, do you see that? Right there. And voila, we've got a cute Pomeranian. She's cute. I can say she because my dog is a girl. Now I'm gonna add my horizon line. She's sitting on the kitchen floor waiting for something to eat. I might draw an empty bowl. How do I shade her? Well, I'm gonna anchor her to the ground with a little anchor shadow real quick. And then I don't really want to add too much to her to mess up how that shading, the texture feels. So shading between the little zigzags, I want to do that. And then I want to pull some shading down opposite my light source and maybe where all the body's covered up by her big fluffiness over here. I'm just using what's on my Stomp. I'm going to go in the ears. I went under the eyes to add a little depth there. Ooh, that's a cool idea. The legs. Yeah, I think I'm totally adding a bowl because my dog Haven, she just yipes and yipes and yipes till there's food in her bowl. So we're going to do a foreshortened circle. So I'm going to decide where I want my circle. Remember, just like we did the super toilet paper tube guy, we're changing our circle. Our bowl is a circle, right? We're changing where our eye level sees, and we're going to create a foreshortened circle there. Okay, got that? Foreshortened circle. And then you can bring your bowl straight down. You can have it, you know, angled out a little, and then curve the bottom. You got that? Perfect. And her bowl is empty, so I'm going to add the thickness here and then shade inside where it's nice and empty. Oh, goodness. A dog with an empty bowl. Shame, 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 right? And then I'm going to pull out that anchor shadow and anchor to the ground. Anchor it, anchor it. Now this one I can still see my dog, so I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to sign my name over here. There we go. I was going to put her name on the bowl, but I thought, we have so many dogs and we foster dogs, so I don't really designate a bowl per dog. Right? Can't do that. Can't play favorites. No. Well, I love this. Yes.